called Stop Shivering. Once was a captain from Spain who had sailed the Atlantic into his old age, weathered by storms at the sea. What a legend he surely would be. What a legend he surely would be. The voyage was set to depart, drawing men young and old with adventurous heart. Spoke of the treasures they'd earned, with a promise that they'd soon return. With a promise that they'd soon return. Pushed past his wife's tears as she stood there crying, just shaking in fear. Stood up and pulled close his bride, and she whispered, "Boy, come back alive." And she whispered, "Boy, come back alive." And he told her, "Stop shivering, stop shivering, oh, stop shivering. I'll be home soon." Well, the morning was clear, just blue skies. And when night fell, the North Star was their faithful guide. The morning horizon turned red, and they knew there's a storm up ahead. Yes, they knew there's a storm up ahead. And they looked at their captain, well, he was just laughing. Said, "Tied to those ropes, we press on." Well, the men fought the storm for 3 days. And the lightning bolt crashed in the swell of the waves, cracked the ship and its wood on the side. And the water came rushing inside. Yes, the water came rushing inside. Well, they looked at their captain, well, he was just laughing. Said, "I'm going down with my ship." And he told them, "Stop shivering, stop shivering, oh, stop shivering. We're going down." Men made it back with their lives, hugged their dear children, made love to their wives, stole one last glance at the sea. Their captain was somewhere beneath. Yeah, their captain was somewhere beneath. it's really over. You made your stand. You got me crying. This was your plan, but when my loneliness is through, I'm gonna find another you. So you take your sweater, you take your time. You might have your reasons, but you will never have my right. I'm gonna sing my way away from blues. I'm gonna find another you. When I was your lover, no one else would do. If I'm forced to find another, well, I hope she looks like you. Yeah, she's nicer too, yeah. So go on, baby, make your little getaway. My pride will keep me company, and you just gave yours all away. Now I'm gonna dress myself for two, once for me and once for someone new. I'm gonna do some things you wouldn't let me do. I'm gonna find another you.
First one's an original that I wrote for my wife. We fell in love about 10 years ago, and I wrote this on our 1-year anniversary. It kind of tells the story of our first couple dates, what it was going through my mind.
All right, good. What's it called?
Angels in the Sky. About 11 months ago, spring hit the air, the warm wind blew. I saw her standing there, a blind blue-eyed girl, wind in her hair. She threw a smile at me and nearly knocked me off my feet. She threw my heart away, and nothing's been the same since that day. Yeah, yeah, my heart's been rearranged since that day. Yeah, yeah, everything has changed since me. Oh, we walked and talked, and we ran and swam, and we sat like children in the sand. I said, geez Louise, my aching knees, can someone call the doctor, please? 'Cause my heart's a wreck and my mind's a mess. This girl's 3 leagues above the rest. If she's the one for me, Lord, show me a sign. Oh, take me, please, please, please. 'Cause my heart can't take the pain, so please don't tease, 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 tease. 'Cause you're on my mind all the time. You're my fairy tale, my perfect rhyme. You make my day, and you find a way to bring heaven here with the words you say. And I love you so, more than you know. I can't find the words to tell you so. Oh, 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 here we go. She opened up to me that windy day down on the beach. We sat real close, stars in our eyes, her fingers in my hair. I was mesmerized. Right then I had to know, was this the one I've been waiting for 20 long, long years? 'Cause you're on my mind all the time. You're my fairy tale, my perfect rhyme. You make my way, you find a way to bring heaven here with the words you say. And I love you so, more than you know, but I can't find the words to tell you so. Oh, 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 here we go. 11 months ago, love hit the air, the warm wind blew. My angel sent from God, she flew and quipped and robbed me blind. So if you see her walking by with a golden sparkle in her eye, you know the reason why. She's dreaming dreams of angels in the sky, sky, sky. Two halos into one, don't ask why. That's how it's got to be for you and I. Two angels holding hands, you and I. Waiting for our wings so we can fly. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son, can you pay me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet and I knew it complete when I wore younger man's clothes. Oh, la da 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 la 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 da da la. Oh, sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for melody, and you got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar, he's a friend of mine, and he gets me my drinks for free. And he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke, but there's some place that he'd rather be. He said, Bill, I believe this is killing me. There's a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. Oh, la 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 da da la, la 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 da da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife, and he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as a businessman plays dominoes. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, and it's better than drinking alone. Seeing you want to sing along this part, you know it. So sing us a song, you're the piano man. Oh, sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for melody, and you got us feeling alright. Well, it's a pretty good crowd for a Saturday, as the manager gives me a smile, because he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while. And the piano, it sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like root beer. Family friendly. And sit at the bar and put bread in the jar and say, man, what are you doing here? Oh, la da la da da la, la 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 da 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 la la. Oh, sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you got us feeling alright.
You made your choice, girl, I'm not gonna be the one. I heard your voice falling, it shot me like a gun. Now I wonder why you did that. Never can you take it back. I thought I saw a little rat steal my son. Now I'm hanging with you, I can't live it down, lips smack. Best friend in the second having fun. Oh, it's a big green stone that you swallow whole. You wonder why you did that. You're right now back to me. Got your best friend's key, and it set me free. You made your lies, girl, but I could see right through. Open your eyes, girl, it's coming back to you. Yeah, you heard about the other side, now you know I took a ride. She don't need to hide like you do. Time I thought you broken on my pride, I thought about the changes that I made up in my mind, I cast a blow. Oh, it's a big green stone that you swallow whole. Oh, making you wonder why you did that. You ran on back to me. Got your best friend's key, and it set me free. You made your mind, you're gonna break it. I know this time, I know I'm gonna make it. By the side of the road, you're gonna be alone. You made your mind, you're gonna break it. I know this time, I know I'm gonna make it. By the side of the road, you're gonna be alone. Thank you. Brightly, star shining nightly, feeling your light, warm in my life. I'm still loving you. Wandering lonely, I need you only. Would you believe? Can't you just see that I'm still loving you? Here we go. Walking into the heart of you, and I'm swimming to an ocean of blue. Walking into the heart of you, I hope you're gonna pull me through. Wandering lonely, I need you only. Would you believe? Can't you just see that I'm still loving you? Glorious lady, you come and save me.
The painters of old, they would paint you with gold, they'd be loving you. Walking into the heart of you, and you're swimming to an ocean of blue. Walking into the heart of you, I hope you're gonna pull me through. Your spirit caught me, illusions get by, my mind on the fly, I'm still loving you. Moving in circles and jumping hurdles, looking for clues, painting the truth, I'm still loving you. Walking into the heart of you, and I'm swimming to an ocean of blue. Walking into the heart of you, I hope you're gonna pull me through. 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 You've been tripping on pain pills, feeling like a bird in a cage. I wish I could have been a better shot for you to keep you from the outside race. I'm sorry I've been into myself lately. I should have been here in the 11th hour, but what I've been drinking about lately, the love we scattered like the petals of a flower. And no time did I think that you and I were slipping away. At no time did I think that what we had could be saved. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, honey. Clouds are gonna parade. We'll be on our way home, oh baby. At no time, at no time. Purple, green, and periwinkle on the town. Keep the secret in your house so safe. You run a little wrong to the problem so well, it only seemed to hurt the taste. I'm sorry I've been into myself lately. I should have been here in the 11th hour, but what I've been thinking about lately, the love we scattered like the petals of a flower. And no time did I think that you and I were slipping away. And no time did I think that what we had couldn't be saved. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, honey. Clouds are gonna parade, baby. We'll be on our way home, baby. At no time, at no time, at no time did I think that you and I were slipping away. At no time did I think that what we had could be
safe. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, honey. Clouds are gonna parade. Well, we'll be on our way home, baby, at no time. At no time.
For sound check, this is Greg Sletten saying, keep on jamming. I got hurricanes and summer wind. I got dreams of God and war. I got love and life and liberty. I don't need any more. I don't need any more. I got rural scenes and city lights. You're always on my mind. You can think of the ones you love as they travel through your life. As they travel through your life. You gotta hold on fast, find love at last. From death to birth, I am the earth beneath your feet, beneath your feet. Standing here in the pouring rain, dreaming of desert skies, oil fields and fields of grain. This is my disguise. Solid ground and ocean tide, redwoods grow and fall. There's a gray sky that covers the moon. I can see it all. Now can you see it all? Gotta hold on fast, find love at last. From death to birth, I am the earth beneath your feet, beneath your feet. I got hurricanes and summer winds, dreams of God and war. Love and life and liberty. I don't need any more. I don't need any more.